How you doing, Professor? TAs, anyone that's watching this. My name is Tyler Davis, and I'm recording my lab demo video for Lab 6. Now, just as a heads up notice, um, I think there is something wrong with my micro because my wiring is exactly as it is in the picture. I've messed with it. I've made sure that everything is done correctly, and for some reason, uh, it just doesn't seem to. The only thing I can get to work consistently is my light sensor. And I know it's not an issue with my code because I sent my code to one of my classmates that had already finished the assignment. And I sent it to him so then he could test it for me because he got his board, like his board was completely working with the code he had. So I sent my code to him to see if he could test it for me and see if it got it working for him, and it worked for him. So I think there is something wrong with my micro, but besides that, I emailed all of you TAs through Canvas to see if today, right now, it is Sunday, December 6th. When I am recording this, sorry, hold on, this is very out of focus. Um, it is Sunday, December 6th when I'm recording this, and I emailed you guys on Canvas asking if we can get into a office hours. I was not able to be in office hours today due to an emergency trip I had to make uh, to my dorm to just go get stuff out of my dorm because I'm not going back to live on campus, and I needed to move out before the 7th. So that's why I wasn't able to make it to the hours today. But anyways, that's beside the point. I'm gonna debug this code real quick, and then we're gonna run it, and I'm gonna show you how my light sensor is working, and working consistently. But it's the other ones, the other two sensors that I'm not quite sure why they're really inconsistent. They're touchy. Uh, they either completely don't work, or every once in a while they'll flash whenever I move a wire, but like it's not from anything that it's supposed to be from. It's just like a weird touch. So I'm running it, and as you can see, the light's off. And then when I come and shadow over it, light turns on, the green light turns on. Then when you take the light away, so clearly the light sensor is working. So now I'm gonna pull that away. The green will stay on because the original light was brighter than what it is now because I had a flashlight shining on it. So that's why the green light's gonna stay on. But now when I touch, it's just like not like it's like I don't know. It's just weird. It's not doing. I don't know what it's doing. Um, and I don't know why it's doing it either. Like it doesn't make sense to me why it's flashing like that. And then look, when I just move like this, like randomly, it just look, like it turned on and then it turned off. Like it's really touchy and weird. So I don't know if it's a connection on my actual micro. But nevertheless, and then with the heat sensor, I haven't gotten the heat sensor to work consistently, unless. So the red, it's just it, and I just can't get the yellow to do anything with whatever I do. Like the touch it doesn't do anything. So I don't know. I think there's something wrong with my micro input ports. Um, I know everything is wired properly. I've went through it with multiple different classmates. I've watched over lectures. I've looked at the pictures. I know it's wired properly. Um, And I know the code works because I had one of my buddies test it that was finished already and it worked for him. So I don't know what exactly is wrong with it. I'm going to submit this video and my code tonight just because I want it to be submitted before the due date. But I am also waiting on responses from you guys as I'm recording this video to see if I will be able to get into a office hours session to make sure that we can get this all sorted out, because I don't know what could be going on with it. And I'm just kind of, you know, I'm a little frustrated because this lab is worth 15% of our grade, and I haven't, I've like had issues with labs in the past, but I haven't like I know that this isn't something that I did wrong as far as I can tell, and as far as I've checked with a bunch of different people. So yeah, I'm kind of just rambling at this point. I hope you all have a great rest of your night or day or whatever it is when you're watching this, and hopefully I'm able to get into a office hour session to get this sorted out. But yeah, thank you guys again, and have a great rest of your day.